You may continue eating your chicken now. Guys, it's been a few hours, and he's just finished making his chicken. He's dining on food of the gods right now. He's eating fried chicken. What do you got there for a drink?
Ginger ale.
Is it purple? Okay. K-Man 7 has died. Like, literally, he died. And Pablo is just eating chicken. Pablo, is this the chicken you made? Nice. Did you just eat it all?
Yeah.
Took you 3 hours to make that chicken and 10 seconds to eat it all.
Dude, it took me like 35 minutes. What are you talking about?
We were playing War Thunder like a couple hours
Bruh.
ago, and you were preparing the chicken.
Turn your video on now. Mr.
I don't have a
Zula.
webcam. I would show myself, but I don't have a webcam. It's lost in my anus. You can see my, for the love of God. Now you can see a picture. Yo!
What?
Dude. Ain't that little guy cute over here? Oh. Oh! That's a happy boy right there. you look like Frankie. Dude, face with no expression. That's hot. Okay, that's hot. That's hot. I'm nutting. Okay. You've all seen him eat his chicken. Tune into the next video. Love you all. Oh.